Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Let's draw a nice scenery here. So first we're going to draw a boat. So this is the outline and you can see the back. This is going to be the front and the shape here. On the top you can see a railing. Okay, just like few lines and straight ahead vertical. We're going to see a sail here. And this is going to come join here, another one just meeting up here. Okay, and in the bottom you can see the wrinkles of the fabrics, and this is going to be straight and another one is coming up here. Okay, and here we're going to connect it, and in this point we're going to put a shadow. All right, so this is some kind of structure, and let's put a flag here. Awesome. And this is going to be the the texture on the side of the roads, side of the boat, and you can have a shadow falling on the water. Another boat which is smaller, and just putting some black formations on the top, and you can see okay the 3D view. And also the shadow straight ahead vertical line for the sails, and sails is coming up here, another sail you can saw. Okay, and after that one we're going to draw a straight line which is just separating from the land to the skyline. So the bottom one is going to be the land to the sea line, and that's going to be the skyline. So for the skyline, let's use the crayon and create the blue sky. So soft blue, putting it here, and for mixing purpose I'm just using a little bit orange, so that's kind of the shadow for the evening sky looks nice. And you can use the fingertips I'm using right now to mix the color within the whole canvas so that you can have a perfect visual pleasant appearance of the evening sky. Awesome. So the sky level is almost done. Now going to put the sea level here. Let's put more shadow with the orange color. Crayon actually works very good. Okay, just mixing it up. Okay, then putting soft blue all over it, so get a very nice visualizations of the background here. So after soft blue we're going to put some dark blue here, another dark blue in some spaces, just putting something like the shadow. And some variations of the orange here. Let's mix it up. There's the difference within the color. Now we're going to use the pencil and putting a nice shadow for the fabrics of the sails, and the board is getting really visually clear. The other one is going to be the pink. Let's put the color. Awesome. And these are the some graphics for the boards which is just showing the nice appearance of the fabrics here. Okay, and for the board we are going to put the dark blue, or sometimes you can call it the navy blue color. Also this one, it's going to be the red color, and the sail is going to be the soft green, and another side is going to be the, let's see, preferably yellow color looks fine. Okay, so simple scenery, and let's put some green here in this point. Okay, for the horizon, so lots of green. If you like, you can put some outlines here. So we're using this one, just putting the outlines. Okay, and for the taller trees in a far distance, just you can see the tree lines here, taller trees. And birds are flying, just putting some V shapes. Okay, so these are the reflections of the trees and the reflections of the tree lines here, using the soft pencil, just like few soft touch to show the reflections. Okay, and for the cabin here, just let's putting the colors. All right, so simple scenery, very elementary. You can take less time to draw it, and everything looks good. Only two boats here and two trees, few birds flying in the sky, and you can see a village landscapes here and there. Let's make this part a little bit merge with the canvas so that it looks good. Okay, so it depends on the flexibility, like how much you can just adapt the colors within the texture or within the canvas. Okay, so I think this is it. The more final touch, you can put a little bit reflections here within the board, and few reflections here for the sail. So that's how the drawing is complete. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay tuned and have a good day.